So hey viewers, it's me Rupam, and for my blue belt submission of the Journey to Mastery, I have built the ROASTELLAR. ROASTELLAR is a gamified social battle platform built on Stellar where users compete in live roast contests, spectator vote and predict winners, and the rewards are distributed instantly on chain. It combines the energy of multiplayer games, the virality of social apps, and utility of blockchain into one that is fun, accessible, and rewarding. User can sign in with familiar Web2 onboarding like Google logging, complete a playful first time experience, and automatically receive a Stellar wallet in the background. This removes the usual crypto friction and makes blockchain invisible to beginners. Inside the platform, two players enter a roast battle by joining a contest, submitting witty responses to a topic, and competing for a prize pool. Spectators are not passive viewers, they can for the winners, place predictions, and participate in the outcome of every match. Stellar is the core infrastructure that powers instant low cost rewards, transparent price distribution, wallet ownership, on chain battle history, scalable microtransaction, frictionless onboarding on testnet, and beyond. Rostellar is more than a game, it is a new kind of social economy where humor becomes the competition, spectators become participants, and entertainment become an on-chain experience.
So now let's onboard into our ROASTELLAR. First, start free. You may think that why I am not asking for wallet connect. I am asking for continue with Google because this is one of the feature of ROASTELLAR that it onboards user just like Web 2, not like typical Web 3 where user have to connect the wallet first. User just onboards just same as uh, Web 2 platform. Yes, this user have onboard and now display a mini game and what I will get in reward, I'll reveal my wallet. Okay, let's start the challenge, start the game. I have to collect the flames. Let's see. Okay, now they are minting my wallet. My wallet will create only into in my account only. Okay, my account got created. Um, and it is already funded. You can see the my account public key. My account got instantly funded from friendbot. Also, we check my wallet. If you go to my wallet, you can also see that there is a like secret key reveal. From here I can import my secret key into my Frighter wallet also and connect with Frighter also. Okay, so it's my profile. Let's change my name. Let's have a look. A leaderboard. It is everything is original, no synthetic data. So you can see my three accounts open side by side, and you can check the wallet addresses, and their respective balances in three of those accounts. Now let's move to our next feature, that is the battle feature. You can see there is no open battles. Let's create one and set the entry fee as let's say 5 XLM. This account is signed in as Rupan DOS. If new battle is created, it will show up here. The second is sign in as Rupam Ghosh. The second is sign in as Rup. Uh, yes, a new battle pop up. Let's join. I am joining the battle from this Rupam Ghosh account, and I will use this Rup account as a voter. Yes, joined. Okay, then submit a roast. Submit another roast here. You can see the first player roast is submitted, then the second player roast will get submitted here. Now the vote option appear. Now let's say vote for this player 2, that is Rupam Ghosh. There, yes, the vote is casted and there are some times left. There is a prediction decks, which is kind of not applicable for this match because there is only one spectators, and the total players prize pool is 10 XLM, which will be uh, yes, Rupam Ghosh own, and he will get the prize of 10 XLM. Okay, let's view this transaction on Stellar Explorer. Yes, this is a valid transaction which is totally on chain. Now have a look of the leaderboard. Yes, Rupam Ghosh on one battle. His XP is this. Everything is real data. No, there is no synthetic data. Okay.